Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy your embed code from Calendly. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and put one of your events or scheduling events on Calendly on your website. How do you actually go ahead and get that embed code? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to Calendly. Next, find the event which you want to find the embed code for. Then click on these three dots, then click on Add to Website, then click on Inline Embed, then click on Continue. Now on the right side here, you're going to find your embed code. So simply highlight and copy it, or simply click on Copy Code on the bottom right hand side. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and copy your embed code from Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.